now I'm going to make a chocolate rum cake. Since it's Mother's Day, and just to relax the mothers a little bit, some chocolate and some rum together. So here I have 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar, and it's already creamed. Right, so now I'm going to add my eggs, 4 eggs, and I'm going to beat it. So I'm just going to mix my egg cream butter mixture together. And now for some melted chocolate, 1 cup, a teaspoon of coffee, instant coffee, and I'm going to mix. And now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of milk. Right, and my dry 2.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of spice, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And I'm going to add this to my wet mixture. Right, so I'm going to add in the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix. And now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of red rum. So here I have some shaved chocolate, and I just kept back a little bit of the dry flour mixture, and I'm just going to mix it into my shaved chocolate. So now I'm going to add my chocolate, and you don't want to mix it too much, just like spoon fold in, just like fold it in, and you're done, and it's ready to bake. So I'm making a cake, and I'm also making some cupcake too. So I'm going to put it in the oven to bake for 20 minutes, and then I will show you the final product of my chocolate rum cake. Okay, my chocolate rum cake is already finished, and this is it, just sitting to cool down, and it's just cooling. And this is one that I cut so you guys could see the inside. It's very spongy and chocolatey. So this is my rum chocolate